Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Tesla Model Y performance. So, as there have been a lot of rumors, and we're expecting one soon. And this video, we're going to be talking exactly just that. So, as you can see here, here's some pictures of the Tesla Model Y at performance. How we can tell is from the first is just the caliper, the brake caliper. It's red, right? It looks really nice, as a matter of fact. And then here we're gonna take a look and take some more pictures here. I think if you can see the fascia, the front one is a little bit different than the normal as well. And I'm not sure if this is a nice color, new color, but it looks pretty nice with the daytime running light right across. Beautiful red color. I like red. I have a red one. Paid extra money for that, $2,000. But here's the black color. Hopefully there's see the back right here. You get this a little bit. This is different than the regular one, so that's how we can tell. Right, and looks like the wheels maybe 21 or 22 inch right there. Right, so let's go up a little bit more. Performance there. Okay, so this post here, it actually tells you everything about the new performance. So let's go over one by one. So they actually launched this already, so we can make reservation. But this is at this time is only for people that are in Europe. So Tesla does somehow bring everything to the States, maybe a couple months later than the world. But what we know so far, 0 to 60 is 3.3 seconds versus the old version 3.5 seconds. So that's good news, right? Range about 308, so that's still better than the old one as well. The old one is 303, which is nice, and this is the EPA cycle estimate, only 1% lower than the long range variant. More range thanks to the new high density battery cells with increased charge capacity. Top speed, we know 155. Carbon fiber decor, 16 inch first row quad HD touchscreen compared to the 15.4 in the non-performance. That is nice, larger screen. First row sport seats with power recline, power tilt, heating, ventilating, and thigh extensions. That is nice. Adaptive suspensions and unique drive mode. Footwell and door pocket ambient lighting. 8 exterior camera, including a new front-facing camera. So that is nice. And if you guys watch my video, I actually did install an aftermarket. I believe it was a head-up display, and it also has the front camera. And I think it's really nice, you know, because when you have that camera, because right now, since mine is aftermarket, it's not incorporated into the FSD for the driving, you know. But like when you park or something, or when you, let's say after you park, you want to go forward, you just scroll the knob on your right hand side, and it will pull up that camera, and then you can see if there's any obstacle that are in your way, or if there's any blockage, you know, right? Which is nice, and it's not hard to install, guys. So I think that the head-up display for the Model Y or Model 3, it's really good. We all should have it. That's why they have it in the newer, the more high-end models like the Model X and S and Cybertrucks. Yet they don't give us one in the Model Y and Model 3. Let's see what else. 8 cameras. Okay, good. So new front and rear fascia, like mentioned, and carbon fiber spoiler for the better aerodynamics. Stagger wheels and tires fitment does better grip and steering. It doesn't tell us what is the wheel size or tire size, so just same thing as the current model, you know, the tires of the real ones are bigger than the front. High performance brakes, enhanced pedal feel, and improve management. The weight is 4,482 pounds. Ground clearance, it's 6.1 versus 6.6 in the long range. That's like by 0.5 inches. Really nice. So when you're driving a performance model, it's lower to the ground and it's faster. So you can actually feel the speed, you know. Imagine I test drove Model 3 and I was blown away by the 2020 Model 3 performance at that time. It's like what, like 40,000 miles, and the guy was asking for like 52,000. Thank God, for some reason he still had like Washington title, and I wasn't able to get that car, and I got the new Model Y instead. But believe me, it was super fast. So if you've never driven a Tesla and you're going to test drive a performance, or you're gonna ride in it with the performance, you're gonna love it. Like you can't go back. You know what I mean? It just, everything's so nice. Currently available to order in Europe and Middle East. Coming to other markets later. Delivery began in the next 1 month or two. Beautiful. Here are some more pictures of the inside, and this is posted by Jan. Let's take a look at here. Beautiful, very nice. This one has a plasma, like a decal right there. You can see it, right? Bigger screens right here, 16-inch, ventilated seats. So it's nice for people that are living like high temperature states, like California right now. We're in the 90s right now. Imagine if you're in like in Vegas, it'll be a lot higher. But you can see the lighting across here, just like the Model 3, right? And it has the seats. It has it extends out. It's just a better version. This one we can see the tire size. It's 21 inch. You can see from right here. The front tire size is 255, 35. And 21, so 35 is kind of thinner. So, but with this performance, like the faster you go, the sooner you're gonna burn out the tires or wear them out. Yeah, and you have to sacrifice longevity for the quickness of the tires, right? So if you don't want to burn out tires too fast, put it in like chill mode or something, or get a standard range or even a long range. That's where all the tires are the same size and you can just, drive slower. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Really nice. A little animations of the performance versus the regular ones. Oh, I just noticed the performance. They painted the mirror black as well too. You see that? Right there, the mirror right here. It's black. Nice. What else are we looking at? So what is covered? So, okay, since we're here, we might as well go over this as well. So Tesla has introduced a monthly windshield protection subscription in the U.S. for the Cybertrucks, and it's $35 a month. Cancel anytime. Subscriptions include up to one free windshield replacement every 12 months and unlimited chip or minor cracks repairs. Additional replacement and show more. A copay of $100. Okay, so the clock resets every year. OEM glass and Tesla calibrations. So a lot of us been asking like whether they go with the Tesla glass replacement or go with a third party. So here, I think Tesla is getting into a lot of businesses. They want to cover a lot. Like before, they didn't have Tesla insurance, and now they have it, and make everything is at the fingertip. Whether it's good or bad, I can't really uh, give you my opinion on that because I haven't had any claims with insurance wise. But yeah, so I think this is a good thing. Let's go over what it's covered. So, what is covered? Coverage applies to the front windshield only and continues as long as the subscription remains active. So, I really hate the word subscriptions because every company is leaning towards that because they want like what do you call it? They want like a like a monthly revenues coming in this case, or yearly. Who knows? Microsoft does it, um, and now even McAfee, like your antivirus, do as well too. Everything you want, like okay, and Apple, everything you gotta pay. So that's where it's heading. You don't just pay once and then ignore it or good forever. So windshield repair, unlimited repairs for chips or minor cracks. Windshield replacement, limited one free replacement every 12 months period from the enrollment date, and an additional replacement, $100 deductible per incident. Note: windshield replacement is for eligible claims only. Exclusions and limitations apply. Pricing in terms of the windshield protection plans are subject to change. Review the list below for claims that are not eligible for the windshield protection plans. Oh, okay, which is nice. Here, what do we see? These wheels looks awesome. Yeah, they do look aggressive. They're nice. Very nice. You can see how thin the tires is, right? Yeah, so with the performance, the faster you go, the thinner the tires, you go over a little dip, you most likely you're gonna mess up the wheel and also pop the tires as well too. Right. The new and exterior color, we've seen that. Here, this is what exclusive welcome animations, right? Okay, they talk more about the performance and performance badge puddle lights in the front door. So when you open the door, you can see a little light aiming down on the ground, which is nice. They do. Amazon do have a lot of aftermarket if you want to do it to your current ones. Carbon fiber trims in the door, cards, and dashboard. Front sports seat with extra bowstrings, special piping, heated and ventilated. I like the ventilated, which is nice. Power thigh cushions, extenders in the front seats, nice. Aluminum brakes and sled pedal, big. That's more exclusive in the drive modes, including insane mode. So that is super fast. I can't wait to do a test drive on it. Footwell and door pocket ambient lighting. Nice. Can't. That's him reviewing. All right, yeah. So, uh, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys come to this far, uh, I do have a lot of discount through different merchants. So if you're in the market for any kind of Tesla mud guards, screen protector, sunroof, I do have. Let's see some of the one that are last fit floor mats. You name it. There's like a huge discount. Whether it could go anywhere from 5%, go all the way up to 23%. So like, and I have done many upgrades to my car, and for not just from the looks, but from how effective it will help you. Like for example, the one that I think we all should have, if you don't have the new 2024 and up, is the blind spot monitoring. So when you drive, it shows you the car on your blind spot, like whether you're left or you're right. So that way, before you emerge in, it has the light turns red. That means someone's there. So don't change lanes. It would be good like during like, I think the foggy too or the rainy, because your vision is might be not as clear. So the blind spot is good. The rear entertainment is also as good. If you guys have kids like I do, I got three of them, and it's easy to install. It connects to your hotspot immediately, and they can watch YouTube's video in the back and do whatever they want with it and with the games, and they can control the passenger seatings, go back and forth. Really neat, really easy to, and the head-up display too, guys. It give you have like the center um, yeah, piece where it tells you everything about the car, where you don't need to turn over your right hand side, look at the monitor, which is really good. And I have a lot of them too, like the decal, like PPF. It's really good because you don't want to mess up your paint when you install those decal, right? So yeah, and like I said, the discount goes from 5% all the way up to 23%, and don't forget to use the code. And also, if you're planning to buy a Tesla, yeah, feel free to use my referral code. You get something out of it, I get something out of it, everybody's happy. And if you have any questions regarding about Tesla, don't feel free to ask me, leave a comment. Whether what did I do to get my Tesla? How's the buying process? Where can I get like cheaper rates? I'll explain to you all that. I'll help you I'll answer every single questions that I get, right? But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Be safe. Till next time.